Today I tell you about my mother. Duckling live in pond and duckling has brown feathers. Brown feathers are soft and fluffy. They keep our warm like cozy jacket. Thank you. My name is Mama. Today I'm from TPS level 1. I'm going to tell you about birds. Birds are animals which have 3 types of feathers. Colorful feather, dark feather and strong feather. The strong feathers are called light feathers. I'm going to tell you about chicks. Chicks can't fly because they don't have streamline body. Birds can't fly because they have streamline. I think this chick, they have down feathers. They keep the bird warm. These are soft and tough. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah. I will tell you about birds. There are 3 types of feather: fly feather, down feather and body feather. Fly feather are long and flat. They keep well to fly. Down feather are soft and fluffy. Body feather cover outside body. I make chick model. Chicken down feather. They keep chick warm. Assalamualaikum. Today I will tell you about birds. Birds are animals that have streamlined body, wings, feathers. There are 3 types of feathers: light feathers, down feathers. Eagle hat, light feathers, eagle to fly. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Abdullah. I am from TPS semester 1. This is parrot and they lay egg and they live on trees. Birds have big wings, streamlined body. This helps parrot to fly. Parrots lay eggs. They not give birth to baby. My name is Naima. I'm from Talent Pulman. Today I will tell you about birds. Birds feathers help them to fly and feathers keep them warm. There are 3 types of feather: colorful feather, feather and down feather. Down feather keep them warm and colorful feather keep them beautiful and bright. I am eagle. Have light feathers. They are long and strong. Thank you. They help me to fly. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Hanan. Today I am going to tell you about birds. Birds are animals. They have beak and streamlined bodies and wings. Feathers help birds are strong and help birds to fly. Feathers come in different sizes and shapes. Feathers protect birds from rain and wind. They have 3 kinds of feathers: down feathers, colorful feathers and flight feathers. Down feathers keep the bird warm. Colorful feathers are bright and beautiful. They help birds attract people.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ghazian Wali. I am from the semester 1. Today I will tell you about the sparrows. The sparrow are living things. The sparrow has the flat feather and the flat feather is the long and strong. To help birds fly. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Aman. Today I will tell you about birds. I live with parrot. Birds are Birds have beaks and wings. My name is Kamal Namoor. I am from CTS Talent School. I will tell about birds. Birds have beaks, wings and feathers. Help birds fly. Keep the body form.